Hey everyone, okay, so today I've got a new product launching. Well, not today, but very soon. It's a mascara, and it is going to be a revolution. Let me explain. So I know a revolution sounds like a bit of hyperbole, and perhaps it is, but it really is revolutionary when you think about it. So let me explain first what it isn't. Now, it isn't better than sex, and in truth, it isn't even better than foreplay, and it won't do your dishes, soz. But what it will do is give you longer, blacker, fuller, darker, gorgeous, beautiful lashes, and it will hold the curl, and it really will hold the curl. And that's what a mascara is supposed to do. It's supposed to do all those things. So this is the mascara. This is the Goss waterproof mascara. Now, in truth, I really just wanted to create mascara that pretty much did the impossible, not make exaggerated, unrealistic claims. Instead, I just wanted to create a mascara that was designed to do what a mascara is supposed to do, make your lashes look more beautiful, longer, thicker, blacker, and hold the curl. Now, the wand here is very specific. If you look closely, you're going to see that the spines are very small. And this means that you can get close to the lash and it won't clump on first application. It also means that you don't get product overload. No more wiping the mascara on the tube. Now, speaking of the tube, this mascara pulls out the right amount of product each time. So no excessiveness. And basically, this just means that there is enough mascara on the wand each and every time. So no more wiping, no more clumping. So why waterproof? Because waterproof mascara hold curl. And this one really does hold curl well. And think about curling your hair. If you were to put water on it straight after you've curled it, what's going to happen? The curls are going to come out. And that's what most traditional mascaras do. But waterproof mascara work a little bit differently. And this mascara actually holds the curl. And because you're not overloading the wand with product, you get to build up length and still hold that curl. Now, as you know, with all my products, the makeup, the brushes, they're entirely self-funded. And all the benefits go to a very good cause. They go to me. So I can make more products, so I can put it straight back in the business. I'm not buying fancy houses. I'm not buying lots of shoes. All the money goes straight back into the business so I can create, replenish more and more product. And truly, and I mean this truly when I say that the products I'm creating are created for you. They have you in mind, your gender, your age. I truly do have you in mind with all the things that I create. So welcome to a revolution in mascara. No drama, no BS. This is a mascara. Thank you for your time. Link in the description bar, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.